Aduh, bola 6 ini bagaimana ini? Itu kan 2. Astaga, dia ban.
Laughed at every little thing that was against the rules.
Alright my gengs, bye-bye. Welcome back with me, Renaldigilbert. Bagaimana kabar kalian my gengs? Bye, semoga kalian baik-baik saja. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing song. Di video kali ini kita akan melihat ini Trickshot Billiard. Trickshot Billiard dari Efren Reyes. Waduh, Efren Reyes itu buat kalian yang tidak tahu adalah legend di dunia billiard yang sudah banyak gelarnya. Pokoknya julukannya The Magician ya. Bayangkan julukannya The Magician, pesulap, karena dari cara dia bermain billiard, dia bisa menyulap semua shot-shotnya itu menjadi sebuah gol. Ya, apa sih gol? Bolanya masuk ke dalam lubang ya. Pokoknya entah bagaimana dia buat, pokoknya dia seperti magician, dia seperti pesulap dalam dunia billiard. Langsung saja kita jump into it. Oke. Dia mau isi bola 2. Bagaimana kan caranya? Oke. The Magician kan? Sudah saya bilang The Magician. Efren Reyes.
Get ready now, for today is a very great match of two legendary Filipino players. A match full of epic pull shots, strategic layouts, incredible shooting skills, and many more. Two legendary players compete for the 2007 US Open 9-Ball Championship title. A WPA World 9-Ball Champion, a 2007 WPA World 8-Ball Champion, a Southeast Asian Games gold medalist. One of the most brilliant and accomplished pool players in the world, known as the Volcano. He is no other than
legend.
Yeah, of course, I'm happy.
Renato Alcano.
Oh, dia melawan Renato.
And on the other side of the table, the man who needs no introduction, the most outstanding and decorated Filipino superstar, a BCA Hall of Famer, and perhaps the greatest pool player the world has ever known. It shall be no other than the Magician.
The Magician kan?
Efren Bata Reyes.
Efren
Thank you.
Oh, sama-sama dari Filipina ya? Filipina.
Efren Reyes. Thank you.
This is a race to 11 match. Both players lag for the opening break.
Okay, 11 match.
Efren Reyes won the lag and will be breaking.
Efren Reyes pertama ya, oke. Masuk.
Efren broke really well, putting 2 balls on the break. He was forced to push out and tie the 6 and 8 ball, just in case Alcano makes the 1 ball.
Oke.
Alcano missed the 1
Wah,
ball.
gagal dia cuk. Lawannya 1 cari 2.
A great 4 cushion position play intending to break the 6 and 8 ball.
2 cari 3.
He was able to hit both balls, but the 6 ball could still not pass the 8.
Aduh. Bola 6 ini bagaimana ini? Wah.
What a controlled billiard shot from the Magician.
Wih, salah cok.
It was an awkward angle on the 6 and ultimately, Efren missed it.
Efren salah kan, Efren? Oke. Sudah pasti menang ya.
And the Volcano draws first blood.
Lawannya Volcano dapat. Oke. Oh, ini bukan trickshot ini. Nah, ini maksud saya trickshot dari Efren Reyes. Itu baru. The Magician. Iya kok dia bikin itu memang The Magician. Dua cari tiga. Okay.
I'm so excited, they're kicking over the ashtrays.
Bangsat.
Brilliant shot. That was deliberate. Yeah.
Try to shoot it, man. You know what? He feels like he can't do anything wrong shooting this shot. If he makes this, they should howl. This is great.
But maybe he can do it.
Ya bongkar. Memang jago.
首先的这个4号做5号就让我们感觉到不大对劲，还好打进哦。哎呦啊，有没有吊球嘞？
Gimana caranya ini, Cok?
Oke,
bingung lawannya bingung ini. Apa yang akan dia perbuat?
剁杆，哇，这小心会被
Oke,
袭
tetap
击带的。
tabrak.
剁杆，
Anjing.
这个是打得让人心惊胆跳。
Every Ray
又开始念念有词了。
Dia sudah tua loh, dia sudah 67 tahun mungkin, 60-an tahun dia pokoknya. Oke, oh bola ini ya, pasti sini dia, pasti di sini. Itu kan dua, ba.
I cannot see Efren getting a legal shot here.
Well, there's a tiny gap here between the 7 and the rail. If you could find a way to get in there.
Yeah, that's a hard gap to get to.
Yeah.
How about hitting the point, taking your chances?
You know what? He might be doing that. I think
Okay.
he made the right call.
Got it.
Wow.
Oh,
Legal shot.
dia dapat.
Called it B-boy, and Efren executed it.
Dia dapat loh. Langsung menang dong. Efren Reyes ya. Bola 3. Masuk lah. Sadap. Jago, Cuk.
有号的机会。
很简单，
对，
就算点有点不准啊，这个6号球还能在这儿给你校正一下。
对，
Efren Reyes lagi ya.
应该是这样选择的。好球！
了，
Langsung menang dong.
这样雷耶斯啊也是非常轻松的赢得了第9局的胜利，现在比分是变成了6比3。看来老将啊
China
有
Open
实力，而且还有运气。
Sudah langsung menang. Oke. Tinggal pukul bola 6 kan itu. Memang sudah saya bilang kan. Efren Reyes. Bagaimana dia mau pukul itu bola 4? Empat cari 5. Memang bangke.
That we practice.
Langsung masuk dong. Wow. Bolanya terputar dong. Lihat. Anjay kabar.
It's so entertaining. We're gonna have to get a replay on that shot. We're gonna have to get a replay on that.
Got moved around a little bit, but then he got down. He didn't shoot his natural rhythm. He got down. He took too much time. Instead, he should have got up again.
Somebody in the audience maybe
Oh well, it's something
could have happened. I didn't notice.
Well, something could have happened.
Because that, of course, can take your eye right off the shot and make you miss a shot like that.
Look at this. Look at this.
Played both. He played both. He played.
Langsung menang. Ini baru the real master billiard. Dia sembunyi dong.
Wow. Wow. Was für ein Trickshot. Guck dir das mal an. Unglaublich.
Also, bei mir ist es zumindest so.
Wah, anjing.
Oh boy, did he kick that in. Wow.
Silakan.
Oh boy, bingo.
Sadap.
Appreciate you taking time. I know you're really busy here at the event. I really appreciate you taking time to stop by and share with us a little bit about the tournament. Thank you very much for having me, Ray. And again.
Astaga, dia ban. Dia ban. Sudah lihat kan? Astaga. Astaga. Ah. Itu baru the real trick shot.
Cut in the side and try to avoid the he's two rail banking it, Raw.
Astaga.
Kidding me? Oh my God.
Habis. Oke, jadi begitu saja video saya tentang trickshot dari Evan Raya, saudara-saudara. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe, everybody sing a song of Duda. See you in the next video. Dadah.